Why work for someone else, when you can set your own schedule, work from your own home to avoid the pandemic, and make money? Free training reveals secrets to easily creating a profitable credit repair business without having any prior experience with credit repair. All you need is a phone and computer. Due to the pandemic, people's credit has been ruined, so this program educates you on what to do, and make money while doing. You learn these 3 secrets. How to find people who are more than willing to pay you, and land your first client within 24 hours. Even if you have 0 experience. How to use our step-by-step dispute process blueprint, to get easy credit repair results, without being a credit expert. How to scale, using our easy-to-follow process, to bring in a flood of new customers, without paying for advertising. Get started now. Reserve your seat by clicking the link in the description below.